Guys, what's going on? This is Addison with the Swear Car Company, and I'm going to show you a quick feature on the 2019 Audi e-tron Prestige that you probably didn't know. And this is actually customizing the cockpit or dashboard right here in the vehicle. So let's get right to it. So in order to get to that section, you go here to settings and you press display and brightness. Then you go to virtual cockpit and you've got so much to do. So basically right now what the dashboard looks like is we have the amount of battery that you're consuming right here, and right here we got the miles per hour. And then right in the corner right there is the range. So what this is called is the classic cockpit, but we actually have two different ones as well, which is e-tron and sport. So the clusters are like merged right now. It's super cool. So right here we got the amount that we're consuming. We have the range right there, and then we got the miles per hour, which will be shown right there. And the sport, let's do that one. It kind of turns everything a little bit red. So right here to the right on the cluster, we have the miles per hour as well, the amount that we're consuming right there, and the range as well. It's kind of like the same as the classic, just a little bit more of a sportier look. But something else that's pretty cool about this is that you can configure each one to your desire. So you can actually display a couple of different things. So right now, let's go to electrical consumption. It actually shows the consumption in numbers instead of just kind of having to estimate right there. We have average speed, which again, gives you the average speed. Driving time, which allows you to have a little bit more of an idea of how much you've been driving. Distance driven, pretty easy, 0.1 mile, wow. Next up, we have the date. So right now, it's the 13th of June of 2023. So anyways, I hope that helped you guys a little bit more on how you want to customize your Audi e-tron. And anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!